Hi everyone, I'm Ruby.
And I'm Jack.
Welcome to our channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Talk English channel, the best place to practice your listening and improve your vocabulary. I'm Ruby.
And I'm Jack. Hello, Ruby. It is fantastic to be here with everyone today. I am feeling absolutely great.
I can see that, Jack. You are full of energy, you have a huge smile, and your eyes are wide open.
Yes, I do. I've had my morning coffee, the sun is shining through the window, and I am ready to chat. How are you feeling, Ruby?
Well, to be honest, I'm just okay. I'm moving a little slowly today. My brain feels a bit foggy, and my eyes are still tired.
Oh no, why is that? Did you have a bad night?
Actually, I slept fine, but I went to bed very, very late. I started watching a movie, and then I picked up a book, and suddenly I looked at the clock, and it was 2 a.m.
2 a.m.? Wow, Ruby, that is incredibly late. I was already asleep at 10 p.m. sharp.
10 p.m.? That is so early. Jack, you live like a grandfather.
Maybe a little bit, but I love the morning. I love waking up early.
And I love the night. I love the silence and the moonlight.
I see. Well, this is perfect. This is exactly what we are talking about today.
Yes, today's topic is, are you a morning person or a night person?
This is a very common topic in daily conversation, especially in English-speaking countries. But wait, Ruby, before we dive into our big chat, we need to ask our friends something.
Oh, you are right. Okay, everyone, if you enjoy our podcasts and want to support us, please hit that like button right now.
Yes, it really helps our channel grow. And please make sure you are subscribed to Talk English. We want to keep making these videos for you every week.
Also, if you know someone who is studying English, share this video with them. Learning together is always better than learning alone.
Exactly. Okay, Ruby, let's get back to it. You were shocked that I sleep at 10 p.m. So, what time do you think I wake up?
I'm scared to guess.
I wake up at 6 a.m. every single day, even on Saturdays and Sundays.
6 a.m.? Oh my goodness, that sounds like torture to me. Why? What do you possibly do at 6 a.m.?
It's not torture, Ruby. It's magic. At 6 a.m., the world is completely silent. I get out of bed, stretch, and drink a large glass of water.
Just water? No coffee immediately?
First water to hydrate, then coffee. I go to the window and open it. I love feeling the fresh, cool air on my face and watching the sunrise. It makes me feel alive and ready for anything.
I see. At 6 a.m., I am usually in a very deep dream. If my alarm rings at 6 a.m., I usually hit the snooze button 5 times. I get very grumpy.
I understand. Many people are like you. But for me, the morning is my power time. I feel smart. I can focus on difficult work. I can exercise, and I can plan my day clearly.
That is interesting. I am the total opposite. In the morning, my brain is offline. It's like an old computer that takes 20 minutes to start up.
A slow computer? That is a funny image. So, when does your system fully turn on?
Usually around 10 a.m., I start to feel human, but I am happiest and smartest at night. Around 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., I get a sudden burst of energy.
Wow. At 9 p.m., I'm winding down. I want to put on comfortable pajamas, sit on the sofa, and relax.
See, at 9 p.m., I want to clean my apartment, write emails, or call my friends. I feel very creative at night.
There are actually idioms for this. We call a person like me an early bird. Do you know that expression?
Yes, the early bird catches the worm. It means if you're early, you succeed. And do you know the name for a person like me?
Is it a night owl?
Yes, exactly, a night owl. Owls are birds that hunt and fly all night. I like that image. I am definitely a night owl. Hoo-hoo!
Perfect sound effect. So, Ruby, Let's break this down for our listeners. What are the benefits of being an early bird?
Okay, convince me. Why is it good to wake up when it is still dark?
Well, firstly, you buy time. When I wake up at 6 a.m., I have 3 full hours before work starts at 9 a.m. That is bonus time. I can read, I can make a healthy breakfast, or walk in the park.
A healthy breakfast? What is on the menu at Jack's house?
I usually make scrambled eggs, whole wheat toast, and some fresh fruit. And the best part is, I sit down and eat it slowly. I don't rush.
That sounds lovely, actually. When I wake up at 8:30, it's pure panic. I jump out of bed, wash my face in 10 seconds, and run out the door.
Oh no, that sounds very stressful.
It is. I never eat a real breakfast. Usually I just grab a coffee to go and maybe a dry cracker.
See, that is why being an early bird is a healthier lifestyle. You start the day calm and prepared.
Okay, you win the breakfast point, but let me tell you about the night.
Go ahead, defend the night owls.
At night, the world is peaceful in a different way. No one is emailing me, no bosses are calling. It is my time.
That is true. It is very quiet.
Exactly. I can watch a movie and really pay attention, or I can study. Actually, Jack, I think many of our subscribers study English at night.
You were probably right. Listeners, when do you study? Do you study in the morning before work or late at night when the house is quiet? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, let us know. For people with kids or busy jobs, the night is often the only time they're alone.
That's a good point. Solitude is important.
Also, I love the city lights at night. It's romantic and beautiful. The morning sun is just too bright. I need sunglasses immediately.
So, Ruby, do you think it's possible to change? Can a night owl turn into an early bird?
That is the million-dollar question. I think you can change a little bit. Jack, do you have any tips for me? I want to try waking up at 7 a.m. instead of 8:30.
7 a.m. is a very good goal. My first tip is no phone in bed.
Ooh, I'm guilty of that. I scroll through social media for an hour every night.
That is the problem. The blue light from the screen tricks your brain. It tells your brain it's still daytime, so your body doesn't produce the sleep chemicals.
That makes sense. Okay, rule number 1, no phone. What else?
Small steps. Don't try to change your whole life in one day. If you usually sleep at 1 a.m., try 12:45 a.m. tonight, then 12:30 a.m. tomorrow.
15 minutes. I can do that. That doesn't feel too difficult.
Exactly. And when your alarm goes off, open the curtains immediately. Let the sunlight hit your face. It wakes your brain up naturally.
Okay, no phone, small steps, and sunlight. I will try it. But Jack, do you have tips for me to be a better night person? Sometimes I have a party or a late meeting.
Good question. If I need to stay up late, I rely on the power nap.
A power nap? You mean sleeping in the afternoon?
Yes. If I sleep for just 20 minutes at 3 p.m., I can stay awake until midnight. But, and this is important, only 20 minutes.
What happens if you sleep for 2 hours?
If I sleep too long, I wake up feeling terrible. I don't know what year it is, I feel groggy and heavy.
I know that feeling. It's like waking up on a different planet.
Exactly. Also, instead of coffee at night, I drink green tea. It has a little caffeine to keep me awake, but not so much that I get jittery.
That is smart. Green tea is gentler than coffee. Jack, let's talk about society. Do you think the world is designed for early birds?
Sadly for you, yes. Most offices and schools start at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. For a night owl, 9 a.m. feels like the middle of the night.
It does. I usually do my best work around 3 p.m. or 4 p.m.
I agree. I'm fast in the morning, but by 3 p.m., I hit a wall. I feel sleepy and slow. That's when I need my second coffee.
See, we are all different. The world needs both kinds of people.
Why do you say that?
Because imagine if everyone was an early bird. At 9 p.m., every restaurant, hospital, and airport would be closed.
That is true. We need night owls to fly planes, work in emergency rooms, and keep the city running at night.
And we need early birds to bake the bread, open the cafes, and start the news broadcasts.
It's a good balance. We're a team.
Jack, I have a funny question. Are animals morning or night people?
Well, my dog is definitely an early bird. He jumps on my bed at 6 a.m. ready for a walk. But my cat, she is a total night owl.
Really?
Yes, she runs around the house at 3 a.m. making noise. She is very active when I'm sleeping.
So your cat is just like me.
Yes, she is. You two would be great friends. You can stay awake together while I sleep.
You know, I read an interesting fact. They say teenagers are biologically programmed to be night owls.
I've heard that too. Students love staying up late, but as people get older, they often naturally shift to becoming morning people.
Well, I am not a teenager anymore, but I still love the night. I guess I am just young at heart.
I like that phrase, young at heart. It means your spirit is still young.
Exactly. Before we finish, Jack, what about late night snacks? Do you eat at night?
Never. I eat dinner at 7 p.m. If I eat at 10 p.m., my stomach is too busy digesting and I can't sleep.
Oh, I love a midnight snack. Sometimes at 11 p.m., I'll have some chocolate or a piece of toast. It makes me happy.
Chocolate at 11 p.m.? Ruby, you are living dangerously.
It is delicious, but you are right, it's probably not the healthiest habit.
Well, we all have our habits. I have my sunrise coffee and you have your midnight chocolate.
And that makes life interesting. Jack, let's help our listeners with some vocabulary. What can they say to describe themselves?
Good idea. If you are like me, you can say, I am a morning person, or I am an early riser.
And if you are like me, you can say, I am a night owl, or I'm more productive at night.
Productive is a great word. It means you get a lot of work done.
Exactly. I'm productive at 11 p.m. and you are productive at 7 a.m.
It's all about finding what works for you. This was such a fun conversation, Ruby. I feel like I understand your schedule better now.
Me too, Jack. Even though we are different, we make a good team.
We do. We just have to meet in the afternoon.
The afternoon is our golden time. Okay, Jack, let's recap the main points for our friends.
Sure. Today we talked about the difference between early birds, like me, and night owls, like Ruby.
We discussed how early birds enjoy a calm morning and a healthy breakfast, while night owls enjoy the quiet creativity of the late night.
We gave tips for changing your sleep schedule, like avoiding phones in bed and getting sunlight immediately after waking up.
And we learned that the world needs both types of people to function correctly.
Exactly. We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
Yes, thank you so much for listening. Now, we have a question for you.
We want to hear from you in the comments. Are you an early bird or a night owl? And what time do you usually wake up?
Please write your answer in English. It is great practice for writing.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Talk English channel. It helps us create more lessons for you.
Thank you, everyone. You are amazing. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.